Hey guys,
Hey
it's
guys.
me and my brother Vincent.
Yep.
So today we're gonna go for a run.
Yeah, we're gonna go for a run because the other video was pretty successful. Not gonna lie, 9
Sunday
likes.
run.
Yeah, Sunday run.
That's on
If
his
you don't,
channel.
if you didn't see it, go check it. It's a really good one.
Yep.
But this one's gonna be a bit more longer because I feel like you guys deserve more content, more longer videos. So yeah.
It's all gonna happen in about
2 seconds.
2 seconds for you, half an hour for us. See you then. This is an old abandoned Breton house. Here's my little brother Vincent. So this probably was. Oh wow, they've done the roof though. They've done the roof up. That wasn't there before.
Yeah, they're definitely gonna.
So we used to live in a little flat. Well, it looks like a house, but a little flat just beyond this house. And this house was all abandoned, and now it's all done up.
Yeah.
And this was probably, I don't know, it's probably maybe like a little exterior house, a little like old-fashioned window there, and
It's a nice
little
house.
candles. Maybe they were for candles. I'm not
Look,
sure.
look at that window. That looks brand new.
That's cool.
Look at that window.
Yeah, that window looks new. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think they're
And
rebuilding it.
This kind of holes. Wicked. Wonder what they're gonna do with it. Maybe we'll come back.
Yeah.
We'll come back in a couple of years and see how it's changed. Because that house here that I just showed you has changed a lot, and we used to live in there. That little flat just above.